This session will deal with using Thomson Reuters Westlaw to determine if something is still valid. To check whether a particular case or statute is still good law, you need to use a citator. It tells you which cases cited your original brief or law, and if anything has changed the validity of your case or law. For example, it may have been overturned, repealed, or declared unconstitutional. It also tells you the history of the case or law and shows the table of authorities. That is, the sources lawyers or politicians used in drafting the case or law. Originally, there was a print source called Shepard Citations that showed validity. At one point, LexisNexis purchased Shepard's and made it available exclusively on their platforms, including Nexus Uni. One way to get to KeyCite is to go up to the very beginning and type in KC or KeyCite with a colon behind it. And in this case, I'm looking at a U.S. Supreme Court case. And notice as I look down, it says that it has been negatively referenced by the following events or decisions in other litigations or proceedings. This is where it's been negatively treated. I could do the same thing with a regulation or statute. In this case, I'm going to the Code of Federal Regulations. And again, I'm typing in its citation. And here it shows me a red flag and tells me this was held invalid by a couple of court cases. Another way I can do KeyCite is to go to cases from the beginning. And in this case, I want to go to Missouri. And I can put in the name of the case. And notice it's the second one here, and it has a yellow flag next to it. And so notice at the top it says negative treatment and shows me that there are 3 negative treatments on this particular case. And that it was superseded by statute as stated in Madison v. Madison. I could have searched by citation as well if I wanted to. If I go up here to the yellow tab where it says powered by KeyCite, it will explain what those very symbols such as the yellow and red flags mean on the different types of legal documents.